Hey, what's up, crypto fam? Today we're diving into this fresh XRP chart straight from Binance. If you're in the USA and watching the markets like a hawk, especially with all the buzz around Ripple's real-world payments tech, this one's for you. XRP's been making waves, and this chart tells a story of resilience and potential upside. No doom and gloom here, we're keeping it real, engaging and focused on the facts. Let's break it down step by step. Then I'll drop my realistic price prediction for what's next. If you're new, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Let's hit 10K subs this month. First off, look at the big picture. XRP USDT is sitting at $1.9823 right now, down about 3.21% in the last 24 hours. But hey, that's crypto. Volatility is part of the game. The 24-hour high was $2.0661, low at $1.847. With solid volume at 155.38 million XRP traded, equaling over $305 million in USDT. That's no small potatoes. It shows real interest from traders, especially in the US, where Ripple's battling for clearer regs and pushing cross-border payments that could save banks billions. Zooming into the candlestick chart, we're looking at a time frame from January 16th to 19th, 2026, around 11:30 a.m. You see that gradual downtrend from the left, with a sharper dip toward the right. That's the price consolidating after some earlier highs. But check this out. Those orange and blue candles are showing buyers stepping in at lower levels, preventing a total freefall. It's like XRP's saying, I'm not done yet. Now the EMAs, those colorful lines tracking average prices. The short-term EMA, 7, at $1.9776 is right under the current price, acting like a springboard for support. The EMA, 25, at $1.9943 is just above. So we're hugging that zone tightly. Longer ones like EMA, 100, at $2.0426 and EMA, 200, at $2.0644 are higher up, signaling the overall uptrend from recent months is still intact. If you're a U.S. investor eyeing long-term holds, this setup screams buy the dip opportunity, especially with Ripple's partnerships in global finance. Down below, the RSI 6 is at 57.1293, that's neutral territory. Folks, not overbought, not oversold. It dipped earlier but is curving up, hinting at building momentum. Volume steady at 426K, with moving averages in the millions, showing consistent trading action without wild spikes. And the MACD, it's hovering near zero at 0.0035. With DIF and DEA close, that's a classic sign of equilibrium, where the next move could flip bullish if buyers pile in. Overall, this chart isn't screaming panic. It's showing XRP holding its ground in a choppy market. For us in the USA, with potential SEC clarity on the horizon and Ripple's tech powering faster, cheaper remittances, XRP's utility is shining through. It's not just hype, it's real-world adoption that's keeping it afloat. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. My realistic price prediction for the next week or so, tailored for you US viewers, based on current support at $1.85, $1.90, that 24-hour low zone, and resistance around $2.06, I see XRP bouncing back toward $2.10, $2.15 if volume picks up and broader crypto sentiment improves. Think Bitcoin stabilizing above $90K. That's a solid 6 to 8% gain short-term. Nothing crazy but achievable. Looking further into late January 2026. If we hold above $2, experts like those from Finbold and Motley Fool are eyeing $2.12, $2.20 averages, with upside to $4 by year-end if adoption ramps up. But remember, crypto's volatile, always DYOR. Use stop losses and don't invest what you can't afford to lose. What do you think? Drop your XRP predictions in the comments. Is $3 in play this quarter? Like if this helped, share with your crew, and hit subscribe for daily chart breakdowns. Peace out, stay bullish, and I'll see you in the next one.